Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ActiveCampaign and automate emails with AI. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the ActiveCampaign website. Click on the Start Your Free Trial button prominently displayed on the homepage. Fill in the required fields with your information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've completed the form, check your inbox for a verification email from ActiveCampaign. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. You will be redirected back to the ActiveCampaign platform. Now, log in using the credentials you just created. After logging in, you will be greeted with a dashboard that highlights various features. To set up email automation, click on the Automations tab located on the left sidebar. Click the Create an Automation button to start a new automation workflow. You will see a variety of automation recipes. You can either choose a pre-built template or start from scratch. To start from scratch, select Start from Scratch and click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a trigger for your automation. Click on the plus sign to add an action after your trigger. Choose Send an email from the list of actions. You can then set up the email by clicking on Create an Email. Enter the subject line and content for your email. Customize your email using the drag and drop editor to enhance its appearance. After finalizing your email design, click Save and Exit to go back to your automation. Continue adding more actions if needed, such as delays, additional emails, or conditions. Once you are satisfied with your automation, click on the Active button to enable it. Your automation is now live, and emails will be sent according to the parameters you set. To enhance your automation with AI, explore the integrations available in ActiveCampaign. You can connect AI tools to further personalize your emails based on user behavior. Constantly monitor the performance of your automation through the analytics provided in the dashboard. This will help you assess the effectiveness of your email campaigns and make necessary adjustments. That's it. You successfully set up ActiveCampaign and automated your emails using AI technology. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.